Hello and welcome to this week's video. I'm going to show you how we clean some Donaldson dust filters for a company called eLeather. They process leather materials on an industrial scale, and in that process they're whipping up a lot of dust, and it's a different type of dust than just a normal factory dust. It's because it's an organic material, it's actually quite sticky and resinous, if that's a word. So it's getting stuck in these filters and they're having big troubles trying to get them clear, and it's led to them just having to dispose of filters, and hundreds of them. We did a trial run for them which was really successful, so they've sent the whole amount this time. They've got about 40 filters in total, and you'll see just kind of how much materials come off them and what we've done to process them today. So first of all, we have to just get rid of the bulk of the material, make our lives a little bit easier. That just comes down to a simple tap out, and we ran tools down each pleat and got a lot of material out that way. Then we go into a vacuum system where we vac down each pleat, and then lastly, when there's not too much left, we've just gone for a compressed air blast. We've gone down every single pleat on every single filter, and it took a long time to get all these perfect. And as you can see with the amount of dust that we've created in here, got a nice big bin full. We've got it's gone on everything basically in our unit, but it's what the customer wants and what the customer needs, so that's what we're going to give them. If you have some dust filters in your factory and you're having troubles with them, either your personnel aren't getting them to as good a standard as you like, or it's costing you thousands in replacement costs, it's probably worth giving us a call. So just pick up the phone or email us, and we'll be happy to chat with you today. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.